Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the LG 55A1 55-inch OLED TV. There is some info on the box itself. For instance, this is a 55-inch smart TV. It comes with a self-lit OLED display and supports 4K video resolution. This is how we open the box from the bottom. This is a wall-mounted TV. The wall mount brackets are not included in this box. Let's quickly take a look at the components of the box. This is the owner's manual for the TV. Next, we have a quick start guide along with some more documents. We also have a remote control for the TV. This is a very standard remote control for the LG Smart TV. We also have a pair of AA batteries for the remote control, a cable tie, and a flap that covers all the ports. Speaking of ports, the 55A1 comes with 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB-A ports, a LAN port, along with standard input-output ports for audio and video. Now let's take a look at the display. The LG 55A1 comes with self-lit OLED pixels and eye comfort display. This smart TV is powered by the Alpha 7 Gen 4 processor 4K and supports the AI ThinQ platform. This TV also supports Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos along with Google and Alexa voice support. It has a sound output of 20 watts. And that's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.